How many of you out there started a business because you wanted more time freedom? You wanted to have more money. You wanted to have financial freedom. You absolutely knew what you loved to do. You loved whatever you're in. So if you're in carpentry, you love to do carpentry. If you're in the restaurant field, you loved cooking for people and coming up with new recipes. If you're in, say, the assisted living building, like you loved helping families make sure their loved ones are taken care of and loved and have a safe place to go to. If you started a veterinarian business, it's because you loved working with animals and making sure that they were well and healthy. When you started your business, whatever that small business is, you started it because you had a love and a passion for doing what you loved to do. You knew that there was probably a better way out there. You knew that there was a way that you would fix things, be able to help clients better, and you wanted to have that financial freedom and the freedom of time. Like you wanted that freedom. So you decided to go for it. However, you may not have known about all of the other hats that you had to wear. Like you're in sales now, you're in accounting, you're in shipping, you're in marketing. You had to turn into a social media expert, like your customer service. Like you're wearing all these different hats and you're overwhelmed, and you probably don't even have the time freedom that you wanted. Like maybe you do, like maybe you do take time off to be with the kids, but you're working late at night to make up for the time that you spent with your family during the day. Or maybe you're working on weekends when you never worked on weekends because you have deadlines now and there's all these responsibilities that fall on you. And then you're like the bookkeeping, like when the heck do you do the bookkeeping? Like you don't even have time for that, but you know it's important, it needs to be done. And you know what? Like right now it's August, and if you filed an extension, taxes are due October 15th. Sometimes they're due November 15th, depending on if you're like an S Corp. Or maybe a partnership that extended. So you're in this, it's your baby. You've been doing this a few years now, and you know something's wrong. Something's not right. Like you're not getting paid. Like, what in the world? Like, you didn't start this for that. You worked all these hours and didn't get paid and don't have benefits now. Like, something's not right. Like, you don't know what it is, but you know that you're working too hard. You're not making enough money. There's not enough cash flow. You're stressed out about hiring someone, or when payroll comes around, you're like, how am I going to pay payroll? Like, these are all the thoughts that small business owners have. And you want to know what? You're normal. Like, you are completely normal. However, that's where I can come in and help you, because I am also a small business owner. And what my specialty is helping clients figure out what's wrong in their business. We can do a financial review on your business, and I'm going to show you everything. Like, I'm going to sit down and review your financials, and I'm going to point out things that are working well in your business, things that are like, that can be improved. And then I'm going to show you what's broken in your business. And then these are actually called our CFO services. And then what we're going to do is every single month, I'm going to analyze your bookkeeping, your financials for you, for that you don't have to. And then I'm going to color code them. I'm going to put them on a piece of paper. Green means they're great, like you're on track to meet your goals for the year. Yellow, we don't have to worry about it right now though. And red is, these are what's broken in your business. These are the most important things that we need to work on in the next 30 days to turn your business around and to get it on track and to keep it on track so that you make your goals in a year, by the end of the year. And then we come up with a few, like 2 to 3 action items that need to be worked on every single month or in the next 30 days. And then when those are complete, we'll get a couple and 2 to 3 more that we can get your business going, get it on track for that your business is working for you again, that you're getting that cash flow, that consistent cash flow out of your business that you need and that you want, that you have a profit, and that, you know what, when you make a profit, you're going to end up paying taxes, but you have money for taxes. That's your reward. Like it's a reward of how well your business is doing if you end up paying taxes. Of course, I want to help you make sure that you don't pay taxes when you don't need to pay taxes. And there's ways to do that, but that's stuff that we can work through. But ultimately, it's better for you to pay the taxes than to try to write it all off and end up at zero at the end of the year and you have to start all over again. Like your business is supposed to make money. Like it's supposed to make money. And it's when you're making money, that means you're doing everything right. Your clients are rewarding you. You're making a profit. I don't talk enough about it, but that is my CFO services. That's where I come in and I strategize for you. And we work together to get your business to where you want it. You ultimately wanted it to be like if you waved a magic wand, poof, that's my perfect business. We're going to get you there. All right. If you would like more information about this, go ahead and schedule. It's called a right fit meeting. It's like a discovery call, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. And we will see if you're a right fit, and then we'll move on towards the financial assessment. We'll have another meeting, and then you can decide if you want to work with us or not. All right. Thank you.